Hello bachcho, this is the question from the solid state. So what is that question and what is the solution? That we will discuss with the concept also. See, the number of atoms per unit cell of BCC. What is meant by that BCC? What is the diagram of the cube? That all we will see. So यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ we have to tell them number of atoms present in that BCC. Simple answer is there, that is the 2, means option B is the answer. But now we will discuss under this BCC which concept should be studied by us. BCC, that is nothing but the body centered cubic unit cell. In that, if we consider the diagram, this will be here. Simple BCC and FCC, for them all we are drawing the same cube. Simply, there is a change in the presence of the particles. If we draw firstly for the simple, particles are present at the 8 corners. And that's why if we consider the number of atoms present in the simple, that will be 1. Why? Because the particle present at the corner contributes 1/8 part of each one. That's why number of atoms is equal to 1/8 into how many particles we have shown at the corner, that is the 8. That's why 1/8 into 8, answer will be 1. So here we have completed for the simple. Now if we draw for the BCC, in that same cube we are drawing here. Addition to this, see what is the addition. For the BCC also 8 particles are present at the 8 corners, means each particle, this is for the BCC, each particle which is present at the corner contributes 1/8 part. This is about the corners. Addition to that, one particle is present at the center of the unit cell, and the particle present at the center, of body, its contribution will be as a 1. So if we calculate the number of atoms for BCC, that will be 1/8 into 8 particles which are present at the corner, plus 1 which is present at the center of the body, that's why it will be completely 1. 8 into 8, that is 1, plus 1, number of atoms present in the BCC. Now third one remain, that is of the FCC. Now what will be the diagram? C. For FCC, again same diagram, only position of the particle will be different. See, common thing is that in each type of unit cell, 8 particles are present at the 8 corner. In that BCC, body centered, means at the center of the body, 1 particle. FCC, face centered cubic, means what are the faces on that there is a presence of a particle. So if we consider the faces, this is one face. This is the second face. If we consider our room is a one cube, then here front side, back side, left side, right side, upper side and the down side. These all are the 6 faces. Like that here also, this above, below, left, right, back side and front side. Now if we consider the particles at the corner, here I will write in a short corner, their contribution will be 1/8 portion. But those are present at the faces, then each particle contributes half portion. Because one will be below side, one will be the above side. So in this way, particle which is present on the faces, that will be shared by the 2 unit cell. And here number of atoms for the FCC, that will be 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2. How many faces are there? 6. So here 1 plus 2 is the 3. Number of atoms will be 4. Here question is related to the BCC. We have to select the correct option for the BCC, and that is the 2. Hope so I have cleared the number of atoms present in the simple BCC as well as FCC. Thank you all of you.